How long does cremation take? Have you ever wondered how long the process of cremation actually takes? It is a question that many people have, especially when considering the practical aspects of death and dying. Cremation is the method of reducing a human body to bone fragments and ash through intense heat. This process is not just a technical procedure. It carries cultural significance and varies widely across different societies. In modern cremation facilities, the actual cremation of an average adult body typically takes between 1.5 to 3 hours. This time frame can fluctuate based on several factors. For instance, the size and weight of the body play a significant role. Larger bodies may take longer to cremate than smaller ones. Additionally, the type of cremation equipment used and the temperature maintained during the process can also affect the duration. Most modern crematories operate at temperatures ranging from 1400 to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 760 to 982 degrees Celsius. Once the main cremation is complete, there is still more to consider. The remains need time to cool down, and the bone fragments must be processed into a fine ash. This additional step can add another hour or more to the overall process. So, when you think about the total time from start to finish, it can easily extend beyond 3 hours. From an anthropological perspective, cremation is part of a broader set of practices that societies use to understand death and the afterlife. The act of burning the dead has been found in many cultures throughout history. Often, these cremation rituals are accompanied by specific ceremonies and beliefs about transformation and purification. The time taken for cremation can also serve as a period for mourning and social events, reflecting how communities come together during times of loss. In traditional contexts, cremation could take much longer than in modern settings. For example, open-air cremation pyres, which were common in ancient societies, might requiring several hours or even days to completely reduce a body. The time taken depended on various factors, including the materials used and the weather conditions. These events were often communal, with family and community members participating in the entire process. Anthropologists study cremation to understand how different cultures view the body, death, and social relationships. The duration of cremation is just one aspect of a complex ritual that may include preparing the body, selecting fuels, and post-cremation activities like scattering or preserving ashes. These practices reveal much about a society's values and beliefs. So, to answer the question, the time it takes to cremate a body can range from a few hours in modern facilities to much longer in traditional settings. The process is influenced by practical considerations and cultural meanings, making cremation a fascinating subject to study in the context of human behavior around death and dying.